Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? Something a little different today. Here's an angle of the vibe you didn't ever think you'd see again. I think I've only seen that one time when I flipped it the first day I had it. First day I had it on the water. We finna do a little modification to it. Show you what I'm gonna do. I'm finna try to take that off right there. That ought to give you a hint to what we're finna do, if you know anything about kayaks. Finally, after 9.5 months of having a fish finder, graph, whatever you want to call it, I'm finna stick one on here. See if I can get it hooked up, make it work. Gonna need it. Water's getting cold, fish be out a little bit deeper. Maybe I can catch a few this winter. Alright. I'll bring it to you here shortly. Be back, me try and take that off. I don't know if y'all be able to see it or not, but we'll try. Alright. We're gonna pull this little cover off. I probably ought to time lapse all this, but it's gonna be so spread out. I'm not going to. Y'all get the basic idea. I'll bring y'all back when I get the cover off. As much as I beat this kayak up, the bottom's not as bad as I thought it'd be. It's a little rough right there. And on the tail, we've lost a little bit. Y'all just don't know how many times I've been on rocks and stumps and everything else. That don't always make the video. Y'all ever wanted to see the hole in a vibe, that's where you put your transducer at, right there. Got a scuffer that goes all the way up to the top. Run your wires in it. My power and my transducer and everything gonna be in there. Got a little bit 12-volt battery I'm gonna put in the console. Y'all see all that when we get there. Alright, I'm finna have to go look for parts. Alright. We went and scavenged a couple screws somewhere else off the kayak where they may not be needed, where they may be needed. I don't know how to do the orientation on the transducer. I'm finna look up on video before I go screwing it down. I'm thinking it ought to face backwards. Y'all can tell me in the comments I'm an idiot, but I think it ought to face backwards. But I'm finna try to look that up on YouTube or Google or somewhere, one of the devils, and see if they'll help me out there. Then all we'll have to do is mount it to the lid of the hatch, and I already got the battery. It's charged up. We'll be ready to fish tomorrow if Rob wants to. If he don't, I'm probably gonna deer hunt. It's still cold. And if I do fish, it'll probably be after 9 o'clock before I get on the water, because it's still gonna be below freezing then. I'll bring y'all back when I get it figured out. Alright, I got the transducer orientation figured out. Points backwards. That's what I thought. Couldn't get it mounted in here. And we'll get the cover back on. And we'll be ready to start working on the rest of it. try to stuff all the wire down in that hole. What won't wire, it'll be wrapped up in here. That's where my battery's going, if it'll fit. If it won't, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to clean it out. It's a mess in here. But I think that battery will fit in here. Right there, I believe. Should fit in there. I didn't measure shit because I'm a redneck and I'll never measure shit. Alright, we'll be back when we start installing, finishing up. Alright, it's installed. I had to do a little bit more work with the wires, just hiding them, making it easier to deal with. And it's right there. Hard to be able to see it. Got GPS. Got a map or a graph down imaging. Depth finder. There we go. Turn it off. And there we go. Alright. I missed some important steps in there. Part of the pain in the butt being your own cameraman. And I left the camera in the house. I wasn't going back to get it. Came out here to show you the finished product. Got any questions? Hit me down there in the comments. I just mounted it straight to that lid on the vibe. Still successful in not drilling a hole in my kayak. Yay. It's not the prettiest job. Probably somebody did a better job than me, I'm sure. Tried to get Cornbread to come help me. I ain't heard from him. Putting that out there, Cornbread. Answer texts every day once in a while. I ain't gonna say nothing. I didn't tell him I needed him today. He probably slept in. He works great, or works swing shift. For y'all that don't know, 3 to 11. He actually works about 9 to 11 sometimes. May have been at work. But I like it. I love it. Finna tie up the hot wires like I want them, stay out of my way. I'm not gonna travel with the head unit on because I'm not, how I got it secure in there, I'm not 100% satisfied with. And I won't travel with the battery in there. I won't leave the battery out here plugged in, because I want it to be charged every time I need it. Alright. Stepped our game up. People been wanting that. They got it. We've now got electronics. We can see what's going on down deep. Y'all watch this much of this video, y'all know what to do. Y'all are loyal. I'll tell y'all, loyal subscribers, love you. Love every one of you. Thank you for always commenting. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. Let's go from there. Like, share, and subscribe.